Hey, what's up, guy? Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm gonna talk about a powerful AI called DeepSeek. It lets you build a complete website in just a few minutes. It's super fast and super smart. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how I use it to create my portfolio and a single web game. So let's dive in. So this is DeepSeek interface. As you can see here, is powered by DeepSeek. So which means it uses DeepSeek, which is a Chinese AI. It's a good AI. I think you have heard about DeepSeek. In the right side, you can see here it will show the output here, and in the left side, it does the coding. So now we'll bring our prompt to DeepSeek to create my portfolio, okay, which include the skills, resume, and contact, everything. Uh, Let me put the prompt here in just a one sentence, so it will create a whole website. Now let me send the prompt. As you can see here, to do everything in only one page. That's good. So let me send the prompt. As you can see, it has started to build the site. It can take some few minutes. So let us wait for it to finish. Now it's doing everything here on the left side. So, and it's in real time. You will see here it's doing the modification. It has started doing everything. This is Housseini FOFANA homepage, about page, project, skills, resume, contact, everything. And it will do the header file, everything, the footer. Just a few minutes, you will see the magic. Now it's done the coding. 824 line of code, and just look at this, and the portfolio look amazing with all the sections: home, about, project, skill, resume, contact, everything, header, about me. I didn't touch a single line of code, and DeepSeek handled everything like a pro. Super clean, super fast, and super functional. You see the icons here, my project, everything, my skills, resume. So here too you can download your resume, everything, educations, experience. This is my footer site. So information. So if you want to submit your information to the owner of website, you can do it here. And my portfolio, you can see it's look amazing. And you can see also how powerful DeepSeek is. Now everything in your mind, you can create it here with a single line of prompt. You can build whatever you want. These tools is a game changer for developers, students, everyone. Anyone who want to launch fast, everything. You can prototype full website in just a minute, and customize them later, and focus on what else most, your idea. So if you like this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Make sure to comment the video and tell me what you want me to build in the next video. Thank you, everyone.